Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic portable and desk and kind of like standing fan that I don't know. This thing is so cool because as you can see, this one can be a desk fan. You can put it just in your desk and just have it in this mode right here. And I'm working, I can just like point it at me. It has oscillating mode as well, so you can oscillate it. And I'm just like working here, no issues. But also this one's besides that, it comes with an extensible pole that you can get it up to 41 inches. So you can even put this one like this in the floor, for example. Let me see if I think if I can go one more time. No, this one it's okay. So you can put it right here in the floor and make sure that, for example, if I want to put it like further away, or I can put it, I don't know, like I'm playing on my console right here. I'm sitting over there. I can put it right here pointing at me with the oscillating. I can take it with me to kind of like at bed at night. If I want to put it kind of like on the side of my bed, I can do it, or I can just go back to the desk mode and just make sure that I have this super nice and easy. And then just for kind of like storage purposes, you can just do this. And once you do this, you press and close right here. I think it was this way. I can't remember. Yeah, this one right here. So this one, and you're all set, and it has a lock, so you can take it with you to camping, hiking, fishing, or the beach or something like that. And also right here, you're gonna find that comes with a USB-C port, and that's gonna be for recharging purposes. And on the bottom part, you're also gonna find kind of like a silicone mat, so this one won't move once you put it in. So that is really important. And then check this out. It comes with, let me show you. Click right there. I'm going to point it at me because this one comes with a total of 7,200 milliamp hours. So this one's going to give you enough juice to get throughout the day. And also 9 inches. You can see this one. It is actually pretty big. But I have my microphone over here. I'm going to turn it on. With this one over here, it's on. So it's gonna start blowing wind and air and breeze to my microphone. So you're gonna hear it. Speed number 2. It's getting, it's actually getting nice. I have to say, it's pretty powerful. And then it stops. But then, as you can see over here, check this out. You have the oscillating mode. Once you turn it on, you have the oscillating, and this thing will oscillate just like this in a 45 degrees, super slow and easy for like a nice breeze at night if you're gonna put this one in your bed. I gotta say that this one, I'm still surprised how tiny it is, but how powerful, compact, and also convenient to have it is. I like it. I do recommend this little guy over here. Rechargeable, powerful, yet quiet, and of course, compact.